everywhere we go, there is a level of uncertainty. Please understand. Whether we'll come back or not. Mothers will always pray for the welfare of their children. Utter these two verses. Pakshau te marutah patu Chandra suryau cha prishthatah Shirascha patu vanhiste Vasavaha sarvatastanum Aham cha te sada putra Shanti swasti parayana Ihasina bhavishyami Swasti kare rata sada Arishtam brajapanthanam Putra karya artha siddhaye, my dear daughter or son, with whatever objective you are going, you will achieve that. Your body will be protected by all these devatas. Pakshaude marutah patu chandrasuryau cha prishthatah shirascha patu vanhiste vasavaha sarvatastanum aham chate sada putra shanti swasti parayana ihasina bhavishyami swastikare rata sada. This is what Vinata blessed her son Garuda with. These two verses that Vinata uttered in the Mahabharata, Adi Parva, was invoked by Valmiki in the Ayodhya Kandam through Kaushalya. Look at the connection that Ramayana has with Mahabharata. So, this is the third reference.